with Zuni.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome back to Learn Arabic with Zuni. Do you remember the letters which we learned before? Let's say them together. Alif, Ba, Ta, Sa, Jim. Today's special letter is the letter Ha. Its shape is just like Jim, hook and a half circle. But it doesn't have any dot, neither on the top nor in the bottom. So this letter is dot free. Can you draw it in the air with me? A hook and a half circle. A hook and a half circle. This is Ha. Ha makes a soft sound like a cold ice cream or a gentle breeze. Ha. Can you say it with me? Ha. 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 Yes, amazing, mashallah. You sound like little lions breathing. Let's all roar gently. Ha. Ha. There are some fun words also with the letter Ha. Let's see. Habal, rob. Himar, donkey. Hajar, stone. Hub, love. Okay, let's play a game. I'll show you 3 pictures. Can you spot which one starts with letter Ha? Okay, these are the pictures. Yay! You are so smart. Good job, mashallah. Himar starts with the letter Ha. Now let's move like Ha words. Jump like a donkey. Pretend to pull a rope. Hug yourself for hug. Ha is happy. Ha is fun. Ha is shining like a sun. Ha for rope and stone and love. Ha is gentle like a dove. We learned Ha, the Ha sound today. With games and funs, hip hip hooray! Clap your hands, it's time to say, see you again another day. Bye bye everyone. Assalamu alaikum.